Good day. Welcome to TK the Smartest channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to create your business website from cpanel. So what you got to do is you have to log into your cpanel, and then the screen of cpanel gonna look like this. So the first thing that you have to do if you want to go to your emails packages or email section, you can either search from here and then gonna take you to emails. Or what you can do is you can just scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then until you see this section right here. So you press email account, and it's gonna look like this. So as you see right here, we've got our 4 emails. So if you want to create a new one, you have to click this button, create, and it's gonna choose a domain. If you choose domains, it's gonna show you a drop down like this one right here, and then you choose domain. So since we've got one domain, it shows us our domain. So let's create maybe our account. Then here you're gonna choose your password of your choice. Then right here just generate. If you don't know how to, just like that, right? And it should be 100%. If say it's not 100%, not gonna allow you to save like this one right here. Not gonna allow you because it says enter a strong one. So what you get to do, you can just press here, and then make sure that if you press this one, generate password, you have to copy it up and then save it somewhere, or you can just maybe just press this one and then just save your everything. So after that, you just scroll down. So here, if you got your packages are 1 gig or 2 gig, whatever the package space that you're gonna have, you gotta choose. So this one, it says this email that I'm going to create gonna have this 1 gig. So make sure that this one is checked out, and then press create. So as you see that it's successfully created, right? So you can see that it's this one. So we just created this one. So if you want to change, press manager, and then you scroll down. So this one allows you to change your password. You can put another password if you forget your password. Then after, you just save right here. If you're going to change this one, let's for instance, maybe you've got 4 employees or whatever employees number that you're gonna have in your business. What you can do is, let's for instance, one employee leave the company, so you don't want that employee to access your email. So you can just put here. So meaning that if you do it here, not gonna receive, you're not gonna send out. And then even the login, you just put it here, it's not gonna do anything. And then that you press update in your settings. So if you still want to utilize this, make sure that this one is allowed, all of them allowed, and then just press update. So I'm not going to update anything because I'm not changing anything. So if you want to set up this email to your phone, to your laptop, Outlook, or whatever email app that you're going to have on your phone, you can just press this one, connect devices. So connect devices, also you can just get it from here as well. Let me just quickly show you. Can press this one, connect to devices, right? So it's going to show you this. So we recommend this one if you're like this one. You see that it doesn't have right here, it says not secure, right? It means this domain doesn't have SSL certificate, right? So if it's secured, you'll see. Let me just show you which website is secured. So as you can see that this website is secured, it has a tab lock there, and then you see that it's valid certificate, right? And then this one, it doesn't have doesn't have what we recommend is we recommend that you should use this setting right here. It says non-SSL settings. It means not recommended. Why? Just because when you're you're sending out your emails, you'll be blind, meaning that it will be vulnerable in such a way that when the hackers try to monitor your network, they're going to see whatever that you're going to send out. But if you're going to see this one, it means whatever the communication that you're going to have via your emails will be encrypted. So when you get to your mobile, maybe you're going to add emails, go to settings, go to app, email app, and then username, gonna ask username. So you make sure that username you put it the way it is right here. And then the password is the password which you created the time you're creating the emails. And then make sure that the incoming, you see the incoming server, and you choose IMAP, right? Choose IMAP and then just put it the way our incoming server gonna be mail.domain, and then you choose this one right here. So if you choose this one, it means your port number should be 993, and then outgoing server should be this one right here, and then use this one. Some companies they use 8 it's 487. Some they use that, some they use 25. So that's gonna depend, as you can see right here it's 26, and then this one is for 3, but this one right here is 2 times. So there's a pop, these are IMAP. So pop right here is 95 if we got SSL. So one more thing that you got to do is if you want to access your email from cpanel, you can just go from here. You have to go to emails as well. From your emails, you click this one, check emails, right? So check it out, and it's either you can use this one or this one. So I prefer that you should use a round trip. Just click round trip, and as you can see that you remember that I told you that you have to click site email settings. So this one going to send to the settings from here. These the settings that you have to utilize when you're setting the email from your device or Outlook. So from here you're able to send messages. You can compose, as you can see, compose and send whatever that you want to. You can press any link, and you can also save. And so do attach. You can also respond. So I'm not going to do anything. So meaning that what I'm going to do is just install this. I'm not going to send anything. And then from there you can see that, you can see that, you can see that, you can see that right. So it's just a simple thing. So you can see everything right here. So if you want to do some changes, you can just press here. So anything that you want to do, you can just do it from here. If you want to save some content, you can save them right here. And then settings from here, you can just do everything this way. Your folders there, DTT there. So DTT just go. So a response, you're gonna see them right there. So let's go back to the email. So you see that you can reply all, forward, delete, give man. You can do whatever that you want as you do in your Gmail. So here are the settings as well. You can choose the settings, you can do whatever that you want to do. And then right here, you can do that as a third, as a list. So you can do whatever that you want. So the list is going to change this one right here. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching my channel. You can just subscribe or like it, or just press notification button so that when I upload more videos, you'll be able to get them. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.